Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we have an exciting recipe from our book, The Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook.
Actually, Jane, we're not going to do the exact, we're going to do basically in there, but a little different just to make it a little quicker. But it's even, oh, it's so much better in here, actually. But
that was completely unclear. But we're on page 156 if you want to follow along. It's called Beets and Beet Greens with Dijon Drizzle.
So there is
Ann.
nothing as absolutely fabulous for you as the beets and the beet greens. And I mean, this is just a gorgeous bunch of beets and beet greens. And so we're going to cut off the beets and cook them. And they're going to take,
We'll go to the spot.
They're going to take about, they take a long time to cook. You can bake them. I like, and we're going to show you in a second, or maybe in about 40 minutes, how to peel them, because when you boil them, they peel so well. And then I am going to take the greens and simply cut the greens up into pieces like this and put them in here. Now, in the book, I saute all this with shiitake mushrooms, but here it's going to be sort of
Steamed in water, apparently.
cooked in water until the beet greens are...
I said steamed. Do you boil this or do you cook it? What do you do?
I just boil it.
Boil
it until, beets take no time at all to cook. They're like sort of a little longer than spinach.
No, beet greens, you mean?
Beet greens. So, Jane, we have to wait now for them to cook. So what Jane has suggested is that we do a few jumping jacks while it's cooking.
Well, we have a while, so we're going to do a little workout. Ready, go.
So the beets, we got the beets here.
And drain the greens here.
And there is nothing as much fun as peeling these beets. It's like peeling a sort of fat snake. Look at that.
Yeah, it is a fat, squat snake.
The skin
just comes right off. You know, we did this recently at a demo, and someone said to me, "Oh, I've been eating beets for so long, but I've never peeled them." And all I could think was like, you were choking down all this roughage. You know, good for you, but that's a little more than you bargained for. You did that one.
Well, actually, maybe we should be eating the beet. That anyway. What I want to do is make this drizzle for you now. And it's going to be some... I turned it upside down so it would come out quickly, and it really came. And it's doing that little farty noise.
I thought we had a lot of that.
Well,
we got to have enough. How much do you need?
I need 2 tablespoons.
Oh, dear.
And I thought I had more in here.
Oh, it's just caught. It's just caught.
You know what? I'm just going to figure it out.
Oh, goodness.
That's a couple tablespoons. And
all right, I wore purple so I would not get gross, and I'm going to wash my hands.
Then I am going to put in a wee bit of maple syrup. Too much. And a couple of tablespoons
You got Dijon on your handle.
of Dijon. And I am going to simply mix this up, and then I'm going to heat it up just so it's just warm on the stove. But you know what? I don't even think I'm going to bother to heat it right now.
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it quickly. We'll do it quickly.
Well, you heat that up while I'm getting this ready. And I'm going to make one little serving of this for a little plate. And sometimes what we've done is we've done this in, Jane, those little, we've done it in little tacos, in the tortilla, the crispy tortillas. I've served it. So I am going to put...
Oh, when you take a tortilla and you make it in a crispy bowl shape?
Yeah. And then I'm going to put some beet greens and beets in the center. And then I am going to take this now nicely heated Dijon drizzle.
Lightly heated.
And I am going to simply put a little of this on top. This isn't quite, I think I needed a little more Dijon. It's not quite as thick as it might be, but isn't that pretty?
I want to taste that. Do we use forks or do you use your hands? What do you do? Let's use a fork.
It would be better with our hands.
Okay. Oh! That sweet and the heat of the mustard.
It's good.
That is really
And if you
good.
do it with the shiitake mushrooms in the recipe, it's even better.
Where do they go in the recipe?
Like you cook the greens and the shiitake together.
Oh, and the beans. Well, this is so quick and so simple. Once you have cooked beets, this is a total winner. All right, well, cheers.
Beets to you.
Bye.